Are you looking for a nail gun that lasts long and makes your life free from everyday hassles? If your answer is yes, then do check out this video, as it features the 6 most fantastic nail guns that will blow your mind. So, buckle up for the naily ride. Up first is the Dewalt DWFP12231. Dewalt here had managed to come up with a top-notch device that surprises everyone with its design and overall potential. The device is packed with a lot of power within. Dewalt here is not an ordinary nail gun because its complete chassis is made of magnesium, making it remarkably light to hold. With the further inclusion of a rubberized handle, the product feels solid in hand and gives a firm grip. Apart from the chassis, the device is made with an inbuilt motor, which is maintenance-free and keeps you free from other hassles. The Dewalt can even be used as a multi-purpose device, with one using its tool-free jam mechanism to remove the nails with much ease. Tool-free depth of drive adjustment helps you detent for the proper setting of nails. The nail gun can also drive the nail from 5/8 to 2 inches, making it quite convenient to choose the right setting as per needed requirements. Furthermore, the product's also equipped with a sequential style trigger and exhaust fan, making Dewalt a pretty capable device. The product also seems to work on 70 to 120 psi pressure from an external compressor, and buying one might be the only downside of the product. So, if you want the best nail gun on the market, do check out this device. Next is the Porter-Cable PCC790LA. Unlike the device mentioned earlier, Porter-Cable is an advanced device, both in technology and its design. This completely cordless device has got an extremely rugged body with a pretty good rubberized grip. The product is sturdy in hand and feels extremely good to hold. The product's capable of countersinking the nails with acute precision. The other important area is the tool-free jam mechanism, making it relatively easy to do otherwise mundane tasks with ease and high effectivity. What makes Porter-Cable truly impressive is its capacity to use up to 1,300 nails per single charge, and all this is ensured with the help of a 1.5 amps per hour 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. The LED lighting feature also makes sure that the room space is well lit and is visible, making you less prone to error. So, in my opinion, if you are up for making your daily life hassle-free, then go for this device. Moving right along, the next product is the Win61721. The Win61721 here might be one of the cheapest devices in the lot. The device has got a relatively good body despite its price. Though it doesn't stand on par with some products in the list, Win does give a solid grip in hand and is extremely comfy to use. The product operates at 60 to 115 psi with a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet fitting. The device does offer us an array of choices in terms of size capacity, ranging from 18 gauge brads, ranging from 3.5 inches to 2 inches in length. The device also comes with a wide range of nails as part of the pack, which is quite thoughtful of the brand. The device has got a magazine capacity of 106 nails and is also capable of depth adjustment. The rotatable exhaust inbuilt within the Win makes our life dust-free and becomes much easier to work with this device. Removing the already jammed nails is also a cakewalk for this device. If you look for a good nail gun under the budget, then this becomes an obvious choice. Next is the NuMax S2-118G2. This device here has got good build quality and feels rugged in hand. The aluminum-made NuMax S2-118G2 not only looks tough, but also feels extremely light in the hand. What makes this device even more impressive is the adaptability feature that makes it stand out from the other pricey devices on the list. The fact that it can accommodate nails ranging from 3/8 inch to 2 inches and staples ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 5/8 also increases the margin of productivity significantly beyond the conventional sense. The products are also equipped with tons of other hallmark traits, such as a no-mar safety contact, which lets you pull the trigger only when the device is in touch with the surface, making it highly safe to use. NuMax here also has a reload indicator, making your life smooth. The product works under the pressure of 60 to 110 psi. The only downside is that the device is not coming with an air compressor, but that is not a real hassle here for its price. So, if you're up for a good nail gun for a low cost, check out this device. Up next is the BOSTITCH F21PL. The BOSTITCH F21PL is one of the premium nail guns within the segment. The device, without say, has an impeccable build quality and feels highly robust and comfy in hand. With a magnesium alloy body and rubberized grip, this product here makes your life much more manageable than how it was. The device is equipped with a fastener collation and fastener depth control mechanism that lets you adjust and fiddle around with the F21PL as per your needs. The fact that it has 1,050 inch-pounds of driving power makes the word impressive shy away. The device operates under 80 to 120 psi. With its two quick-change nose mechanisms, it becomes much easier for us to enable us with an array of different choices. The sequential and bump trigger and the adjustable rafters are other incredible features offered by this device. So, if you're looking for a premium nail gun, then have a look at this product. The best one always makes the last entrance. Saying so, Freeman P4FRFNCB is surprisingly the most advanced and innovative product of the lot. This product here is not just a single device, but a combination of 4 nail guns with different applicabilities. The 4 devices do have the impressive build quality and are surprisingly comfy at hand. The Teflon O-rings within the device make it challenging and wear-proof, and when this is coupled along with the one-piece hardened steel blades, it makes the product entirely immune to internal failure. The anodized aluminum magazine also enhances the durability factor significantly. That being said, the box consists of 21 degrees, 3.5-inch full round head framing nailer, 15-gauge 34 degrees angle 2.5-inch finish nailer, and an 18-gauge 1.25-inch brad nailer. The product also features other essential and functional features, such as a quick jam release mechanism and 360 degrees of adjustable exhaust, and more. So, if you want a good set of nail guns that come in a well-priced kit, do check this device. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.